Welcome to the ValveSafe instructional video. ValveSafe is a single-use endoscope valve cage for the safe storage of endoscope valves and to ensure they remain as part of a unique set with the parent endoscope as recommended by a number of national and international guidelines such as the BSG and ESGE. The latter of which specifically states valves, including rinsing valves, should stay with the named endoscope as a set to prevent cross-infection and enable full traceability. Now let's take a look at the ValveSafe design details. It's single-use and cannot be reused to aid in the reduction of cross-contamination. Smart click technology ensures that the cage cannot be closed again once it has been opened. It locks onto the parent endoscope without concealing any parts. And it is designed to take multiple valves, such as the air-water valve, suction valve, air-water cleaning valve, and the biopsy cap if it has not been breached. ValveSafe has a plastic construction to prevent rust and prevent any microbiological growth, and has the 4 integral openings, one of which can be used for the chain of the air-water cleaning valve. Large openings throughout the whole of the ValveSafe construction means cleaning solutions can easily be passed through. Now let's take a look at how to use ValveSafe. Once the valves have been removed from the endoscope and manually cleaned, they can be placed into the open ValveSafe with the chain of the air-water cleaning valve passing over and through one of the dedicated recesses. The next stage is to close the ValveSafe around the scope's umbilical cord, ensuring that the 4 pins are located and fully locked into the opposite housings. Next stage to ensure that the ValveSafe is placed around the umbilical cord and not the insertion tube. It should be noted that the ValveSafe and the valves now stay with the endoscope as a unique set through the remainder of the decontamination process. ValveSafe also protects the valves throughout this entire cycle. And it remains on the scope until it goes back through to the procedure room, even if the scope is placed into a drying cabinet first. Once back in the procedure room, the ring ball on the ValveSafe is opened and the internal valves are released and can be placed back into the endoscope. Safely discard the ValveSafe and do not reuse it. ValveSafe has been tested by the Hospital Infection Research Laboratory to prove its effectiveness. In summary, to look at the ValveSafe's main features and benefits, it addresses the need of international and national guidelines, keeps the valves and the scopes together as a unique set during the cleaning, drying and storage process. It's a simple single-use design, age traceability of the scope and its valves, large apertures allow adequate cleaning and disinfection solutions to pass through, protects the valves against any damage during the cleaning process, and is CE marked for medical use.